In today's video, I am going to teach you how to prevent form emails from going to spam with Gmail. If you have a contact form or a website form that sends you notifications by email, Gmail may sometimes place those messages in spam. A reliable way to prevent that is to create a Gmail filter that tells Gmail to trust that sender and never send those messages to spam. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Make sure you are in the account that receives the form notifications, since filters are saved per account. In the top right area of Gmail, click the settings icon. This is the small gear-shaped button. A quick settings panel will open. From that panel, click See All Settings to open the full settings page. Once you are on the settings screen, look across the tabs near the top. Click the tab called Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where Gmail lets you create rules that automatically handle specific emails in a consistent way. In the Filters section, click Create a new filter. A small window will pop up where you can define what kind of email you want Gmail to catch. In the field that applies to the sender, type the email address that your form messages come from. Use the exact sender address that appears on those form emails. This is important because the filter only works for the sender information you enter here. After you have entered the sender email, confirm that the correct sender is selected in the filter window, then click Create Filter. Gmail will now show you a list of actions you can apply to messages that match. Find the option labeled Never Send It to Spam and click to check it. This tells Gmail that anything from this sender should bypass the spam filter. If you have been missing form notifications, this single setting is usually the most important one to enable. After you have selected Never Send It to Spam, click Create Filter to save everything. From this point on, future form emails from that sender should land in your inbox rather than spam. And that is all there is to it.